It's hard to comprehend what I'm seeing here. Yeah, me too. It's snow. Endless snow. It stopped snowing, so now it's just this. Create a lot with this. What do you mean? You know, Thomas Terrence in the snow. Really? Yes, really. You know, just do the thing. You know. Dang. Man, what a great view. Man, I'm slipping. I'm sinking. Shit, man. I didn't think I'd be able to do it, but I sunk. And now you wouldn't bury me. You wouldn't. Nope. Please. You can't do this to me. You. Ah! Ugh. The frostbite. Jesus Christ. Frostbite. I'm getting out of here, you know? Yeah, sure, whatever. Hey, what? Hey, why you got snow? You meathead. And how come he didn't get affected? Oh, what, the Hail Mary? He's fine. What do you mean he's fine? I just mean he's fine. Okay. What do you mean? What are you trying to say? Nothing, I'm just saying that he's fine. And I'm asking, what do you mean he's fine? He just is. You keep asking questions, you're gonna get ice thrown at you. What do you mean ice? What do you mean ice, you ridiculous son? Oh, it didn't hurt that bad. But my paintwork. Are you really about to kick me? We got kicked too. Yeah, you break a few eggs to make an omelet. You can't do this to me. I'm the express engine. Tailed up. Why is it so freezing? Oh my god. If it freezes so much, then stop filming. No. Yeah. Hey, you guys are in already? We got slight sweat. I don't really see what the big issue is. I'm gonna make a snowman. If you play, do you want to build a snowman? I will chop you so hard that you will not be able to see. I will throw you out there so far in that you will not be able to get back in. And also, why do you even? I'm inside. You still have snow on you. That's fair. I'd rather have snow on me inside than have snow on me outside. Tweets there. I'm also you guys are on wood. So what do you mean? Yeah, wood gets. Yeah, wood rots in water. So you really gonna? You wouldn't. I don't know. There's more snow on you than I thought. And I'm gonna make a snowman with hail. Bye. More too valuable to. Oh yeah. Look at that. That's a fine snowman we created there. Look at that. Look at that. That's a fine snow. Hey, stop zooming out. Hey, stop zooming out. Stop moving the camera. That's not ours. That's not ours. Okay, that's Hale's and that's mine. But he has to finish the face. I promise. I may be 100 or 200 years old. I never built a snowman. Bye. Percy? You so good, Percy? Percy, you so good? Percy? Percy. What do you think? Maybe run the ground. What? Percy, you good? You good, Percy? You good? You good, Percy? You good? Yeah, you're good.